Good morning, everybody. Quick video this morning on the ice storm in Texas. 74 in the house. Heating with the old wood burner. This is all the heat we got here. So I'm going to show you the routine. And fill her up. I'll have to get out and get some more wood. That'll burn a good hour. Yeah, we're getting a little more rain this morning, but it is super icy. Let me get a glove on a minute here. Excuse me. I'll get off here without killing myself. Alright. Quick trip down to the see, the ice is just crazy out there. I'll go check on the animals right quick. Give them glow plugs a minute to warm up. Come on, Bushy. Come on. You can get on the tram. Of course, the solar panels are covered in ice. They're not going to be making power today. Trees down out there. The weight of the ice is screen here where you can see the weight of the ice that's pulling the trees down. It actually uprooted that tree right there. It got so heavy. Actually a little rain now. Tree limbs down. Tree limbs down. What are you doing, turkey? All of the goatees appear okay. None of these limbs are normally down to the ground. Solid. Hey, ducky duckies. What are you doing, little goaties? Y'all ready for breakfast? Time to come down. Would be nice if y'all would feed off of Mama. She's still just not interested. Greenhouse is doing good. Came down a little extra propane about 3 a.m. this morning. It got super cold. Throw some more wood on this fire down here. Keep it good. Again, this is about a every 3-hour deal too. So, if you want to keep a greenhouse in the Antarctic and intend on heating it by wood, get ready to stay up all night. Good to go there. but it's withheld. Temperature's okay in here. Go ahead and turn off the propane. I think it's about empty anyway. Pepper's still good. Gotta put some fruit trees outside. Of course, all the oranges and grapefruits are doing fine. That was the important thing that we're trying to keep in here. Bananas made it, so hopefully this year they'll put out some bananas. What you doing, turkey? Turkey? Where you going, turkey? Come on here, turkey. I know he's cold, turkey. I'm gonna pet you anyway. More trees down, nothing on the greenhouse, thankfully. What are you doing, chick? There you go. Turkey. Oh, y'all doing, cheek? Y'all warm in there? Like everybody's doing okay. No dead ones. Try and get y'all some water in a little while. But everything looks okay. Run by the pigs. And after we get coffee, we'll come feed everybody. Out the way, chicken. Mulch. Need to get that garden going. That's the danger here. Big limbs, heavy ice. See all the pig stuff, trees down out there. Go, pig. Good boy. Good boy. All good. Enough being out in the cold. Make that turn. What you doing, buddy? What you doing, Jimmy? Cold. So if it'll stay rain, it won't be too bad. Turkey! Woo! Out the way, turkey. Get him, turkey. Alright guys, that was a quick trip around. See the ice up there on the roof. So if I can get back here far enough, you can see the panels. Oh yeah, panels are covered in ice. But no sun anyway, so they wouldn't be making power. Everything is definitely frozen down here, uncommon. We just generally don't get this kind of weather every now and then, sure, but it's becoming a regular thing now every year. All right, guys. thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Y'all stay safe out there. Stay warm. Probably a lot of this is coming northeast. Thanks for watching, guys.